those 3 little boys. Meantime, tomorrow you should see one form of tribute to all the lives lost in the deadly tornadoes around the state.
Okay? It's gonna be okay. What's wrong, Addison? Okay, we're going to get my blood test. Going to show if there's any metal in my blood, and if so, how much and what it's doing to me, and possibly my family, my sweet family, whom I adore. Because there are hundreds of thousands of families that have these same hips.
And they sell products that they know are wrong. It went from the pilgrims that cared about people to the doctors that care nothing about people.
Some doctors care.
Some don't. If I grow up to be a veterinarian, I probably not be like this. If I do, just probably on something.
So we're going down to get my serum cobalt and chromium levels. Obviously my face is a wreck. This has been happening for 2 years, almost 2 full years, ever since I got double hip replacements.
And I think that the rest of our family has been suffering from her attitude changes.
Which are?
Happy to all of a sudden angry.
Our forecasts for attitudes have been changing rapidly.
First happiness,
And
then to angry,
it
then
goes
to crying.
from she just crashes.
I'm sorry.
It's just been kind of hard on us, but we know it's not her fault.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
I hope the doctor made a lot of money on those hips.
This goes up, crashes, up, crashes, up, crashes. Just doing that over and over.
And he probably
Sometimes
wanted the
it
metal.
stays kind of in the middle and goes up and then crashes.
Hey, Jake. What do you think about when you're trying to go to sleep?
I don't know.
You don't have those